Hello everyone. Let us start our session with a small question. What is sine pi by 2? This is very easy. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90. So sine 90 is 1. What is sine pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So sine 45 is 1 by root. Then if I ask you a question, what is sine 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3 means we will get 120 degrees. But how to find out sine 120 degrees? Value of this particular thing. We know that if you take xy plane, 120 degrees will come here. Yes, this is 120. Let me take 90 plus something. But how to find out the exact answer? 120 is coming in quadrant 2. But I want the answer. How to find out? For that only, we need to study, understand the basic concept. How can we calculate the ratio of trigonometry for any angle? Okay. Before going into that, try to understand this. Already we have discussed this. Entire plane is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay. This particular area is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. This particular area is quadrant 1. Here all trigonometric ratios are positive. Here only sine and its inverse, sine and cosecant are positive, remaining negative. Here tan and cot are positive, here cos and secant are positive. That's why we used a code there like all, silver, tea, cups. All means all are positive. Silver means we will take the first letter. Sine and its inverse are positive. In tea, first letter is T. Tan and its inverse is positive. Cups, first letter is C. C and cos and secant are positive, remaining all are negative in fourth quarter. Now you just observe here, some more notations is given here. What are they? Just observe here, whatever the angles you may take, they will be like this. Suppose you are taking a point over here, join the point with origin, this angle will be theta. You may think, I took one complete round and I am taking, okay, this is nothing but 2 pi plus theta. Or else, you may think pi by 2 minus theta. From 90, I can take like this. Okay. So, we should have a basic understanding of what is the position and how we need to consider. Suppose I am having a point over here. Okay. I have a point over here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Obviously on x-axis, y values will be 0. Remember that. If I join the point with the origin, it will make some angle with the positive side of x-axis. If you drop a perpendicular, okay, suppose this point is p of x comma y, you can find out whatever you want, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, whatever you want, you can find out very easily because you have a triangle here. Okay. The same rule is applicable for 2 pi plus theta also. 2 pi plus theta is nothing but theta only. So sine 2 pi plus theta simply you can tell as sine theta only. Cos 2 pi plus theta simply you can tell as cos theta only. Tan 2 pi plus theta you can tell as tan theta only. Okay. Hope this is clear. Like suppose you have sine 390 degrees you wanted to find out. Sine 390 is nothing but sine 360 plus 30, which is nothing but sine 30. You know already sine 30 is 1 by 2. Like this we will find out. What if you have a point over here? P of x comma minus y. First join the point to the origin, find out the theta. It will be negative because you are going in a clockwise direction. Okay. drop a perpendicular, and you can measure this length is y, this length is y, this length is x. If you want x1 y1, you take for your easy reference. Okay, now if you take sine, what is the angle here? Minus theta, right? Sine minus theta you will find. Sine minus theta is nothing but, we have seen already how, what will be the from this particular triangle, what is sine theta? You can tell sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, so y by under square root x square plus y square we will get. But you are in fourth quadrant, right? In fourth quadrant sine is negative, that's why here sine theta is minus y by r. Okay, this if you consider as r. Hope everyone understood. Same like cos minus theta is nothing but cos theta only. Why? In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. That's what all silver teacups, cos and its inverse secant is positive in fourth quadrant. Okay? This is about 2 pi plus theta or minus theta. And what you will tell about this? This is pi minus theta, right? Suppose you are telling about some 150 degrees. 150 you can take like 180 minus 30 degrees. Hope everyone understood. You are finding sine 150. This further you can write as sine 180 minus 30. But how to tell where it will be? Definitely it will be in second quadrant. Okay, let me assume that the point whatever it is showing is here 150. I'm telling that 150 is here. I will join it with this. Okay, exactly it is not coming. Let me draw approximately. Okay, this is the, then what is the angle? 150 degrees. I'm taking this angle 150. The remaining is 30 degrees. Remaining is 30 degrees. Here, since you are finding sine 150, we know that we are in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So I can write directly, it is nothing but sine 30 only. Hope everyone understood. Okay. Then what is cos 180 means 150? Cos 150 is nothing but cos 180 minus 30. We know in second quadrant cos is negative. So we will write here minus cos 30. Okay. But how can we remember all these very easily? It's very important. Just observe this particular thing. I have written all the formulas. Sine pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus pi by 2 means this is pi by 2. Minus theta means somewhere the point will be in quadrant 1. Sine 2 pi plus theta or sine 2 pi minus. So all these will be in quadrant 1 only. Just observe pi by 2 minus theta is becoming cos. Cos is becoming sine. Tan is becoming cot. Then pi by 2 plus theta, sine is becoming cos. Then what about 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta? It is not changing, only sine is changing. So you should understand here one thing. What is that? For 90 degrees and 270 or pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, sine will become cos and cos will become sine. Tan will become cot, cot will become tan. Secant will become cosecant, and cosecant will become secant. Only for these two angles. Okay. Suppose you are finding sine 150 only. Let me take this 150. You can write in a different way, like sine 90 plus 60 you can write. Okay, 90 plus means this angle, right? Sine 90 plus sine will become cos. So you can tell it is cos 60. Okay, cos 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. This is how we will find out the answer. Now you tell me what is sine 2 pi by 3, which is nothing but sine 120. Sine 120 is nothing but 90 plus 30. 90 plus means second quadrant. Sine 90 plus 30 is nothing but cos 30. Okay. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Like this, we will find out the answer. Just have a look over all these. When you are taking 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta, then only sine will become cos and tan will become cot, secant will become cosecant. Inverse also possible. But when you are taking pi by 2 minus, sorry, pi minus pi plus or minus theta or 2 pi plus or minus theta, that time cos will be like cos only, sine will be like sine only, tan will be like tan only, but based on the quadrant you need to take the sine. In which quadrant you are, based on that you need to take the sine. You just observe sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sine is negative. That's why it is changed and we took the another side, minus. Okay. Here two values are positive. What are they? We know that in fourth quadrant cos is positive, secant is positive. That's why they took positive signs. Okay. Yes, let us have a look at this particular thing. I want tan minus 2 pi by 3. Tan minus 2 pi by 3. This is nothing but tan of minus theta. We know that tan minus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan is negative. So take tan theta only. Now find out minus tan 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means minus tan. How can you write? Pi minus pi by 3 you can write. Pi minus pi by 3 means tan 180 minus. Hope everyone understood. 180 minus pi by 3. Okay. Tan 180 minus. 180 minus means it will not change the sign. It will not change, but we need to see where it will come. It will come in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. So minus tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is how much? We know that pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So minus into minus will become plus root 3. Yeah, this is how we will find out. We need to think and we need to find the answer. Okay, now see this particular one. Cot minus 300. Cot minus 300. Initially we know cot minus theta means obviously fourth quadrant. So I can tell I'm not thinking about this number cot minus theta. We have seen the formula and from the formula we are just taking cot minus theta is minus cos theta, cot theta. So directly we are taking. So I can write here minus cot 300. But I don't know how to write what is cot 300. This I can rearrange like cot 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60. Cot 360 minus 60 is nothing but cot 360 minus 60 is nothing but minus cot 60. I told already in 2 pi plus or minus theta or pi plus or minus theta, ratios will not change, only signs will change. Okay. Now you will get cot 60. Cot 60 is nothing but cos 60 by sin 60, which is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay. Then what is this? Oh my god, very big number. Don't worry. Very small number only. What is sine minus theta? Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. 17 pi by 4. Okay. Now what I should do? What I should do? Can I write it like this? Sine 4 pi plus pi by 4. Okay. You should have idea how to divide it. 4 pi means, just understand the diagram. This is pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi plus, we are taking 4 pi plus pi by 4. That means we are in first quadrant. In first quadrant, sign is positive. Okay, so what we will get here, minus sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 value already we know, which is 1 by root 2. This is how we will find out the solution. Let us see one more question. What is the value of this? Okay, very good. Nice question. Sine square pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 we can tell very easily. Sine pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2. So we'll get 1 by root 2 whole square plus sine 3 by 4, 3 pi by 4 whole square. Sine 3 pi by 4 whole square. Pi by 4 means 45, but 3 pi by 4 means what? Yes, same thing. Just see, 3 pi by 4 means 3 into 45. 135. Sine 135 means where it will come? Just to see in the, this is 90, 135 will be more than 90, less than 180. So I'm taking here. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So sine 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 means cos 45, which is again 1 by root 2 whole square plus 5 by 4. Oh, okay. A square is there, so we don't care about it. Directly we'll take 5 pi by 4 means this is 3 pi by 4. 4 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 will come here. Okay. Again we'll get 1 by root 2 whole square only. Whole square is there. So if you take negative number also, no problem. Negative will become positive. Okay. Plus sine 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 will come here, which is 1 by root 2 again whole square. So finally 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 4 by 2. How? 4 1 by 2, which is nothing but 4 by 2, or else cancel here itself 2 2's. So you'll get the answer as 2. Let us see some basic relationships and identities. First is reciprocal. What is the inverse of cosecant theta? Is nothing but 1 by sine theta. What is secant theta inverse? 1 by cos theta. What is cot theta inverse? 1 by tan theta. Then this is quotient rule. Tan theta you can write as sine theta by cos theta. And cot theta you can write as cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Then what are the Pythagoras relationships? They are the three identities which we have. One is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. These are the three formulas which we will derive by using Pythagoras theorem only. That's why they are telling you this as Pythagorean relationships. Now just have a look at this. We have the formula secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So from this, we can find out this particular thing. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Apply a square minus b square. So you can write it as secant square theta plus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, which is equals to 1. So secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. Same like that, we'll have one more formula. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. From this you will derive cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. Okay. These are the formulas which we have to remember to solve the questions easily. Yeah. Now there is a series for us, sine theta plus sine pi plus theta plus sine 2 pi plus theta and so on. Sine n pi plus theta is what? Okay, don't think much. Just keep n value, like assume n value as 0, 1, 2, 3 and you will get some idea what you need to do. Okay. For odd number, n value, if n value is odd, the result is 0. If n is odd, if n is even, the result will be sine theta. Okay. If n is odd, the result is 0. If n is even, the result is sine theta. Yep. Same like this we'll have for cos also. Cos theta plus cos pi plus theta plus cos 2 pi plus theta and so on plus cos n pi plus theta. Here also for n odd value, what is the result? The result is 0 only. For n even value, the result is cos theta only. Result is cos theta only. Okay, these questions we have seen already. These questions we have seen. I have like this. Let me take sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equals to what? Just observe this sine power 4 theta you can write as sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Just try to recall a formula. The formula is a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what we can write here, based on the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 into sine square theta cos square theta. So finally we will get Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. 1 square is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, like this we will find out the solution. Just see one example. Secant theta plus tan theta is 1 by 5. Find the value of sin theta. Okay, determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Okay, just now we have seen secant theta plus tan theta is 1 by 5. Then what is secant theta minus tan theta? It will be obviously 5, because secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. So if you add these two, you will get 2 secant theta is equals to 1 by 5 plus 5. 5 5 is 25, 26 by 5. 2 secant theta is equals to 26 by 5. 2 ones, 2 13s. So you will get secant theta as 13 by 5. Okay. You got secant theta value. By using this secant theta, we can find out tan theta. You can find out whatever you want. I want sin theta value. I can find out cos theta from this very easily. Cos theta is 5 by 13. Okay. Then I have a formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Then 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. Root will not come, because this is sin square theta. Then what is sin square theta? 169 minus 25, 144. So I'm writing at a time 144 divided by 13. 13 square. Okay, 169. So sin theta is square root of 144 by 169, which is nothing but 12 divided by 30. I have sin theta now, but I wanted to determine which quadrant that theta lies. Where is that theta? Where is that theta? Okay, if you wanted to find out the location of theta, you need to have what is tan theta, correct? Sin theta by cos theta, we know it is tan theta, obviously. Or else we can do like this. Just observe. If we add these two, we are getting secant theta, right? What if we subtract? If we subtract secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 by 5. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 5 we have. If we subtract, these two will be cancelled. You will get 2 tan theta is equals to 1 by 5 minus 5. 2 tan theta is equals to 25 minus 1 minus 24 divided by 5. Tan theta is equals to minus 12 divided by 5. Why 12? 2 ones, 2 12s. So I am getting tan theta as minus 12 by 5. Okay. Tan is minus 12 by 5. But how to find out which quadrant it is? If you take the axis xy plane, we know that tan is positive in this and tan is positive in this. Where tan is negative? Tan is negative here in quadrant 2. In quadrant 4, tan is negative. But which one is exactly that theta belongs to? I wanted to find out now. Okay, just now we have calculated here sine theta as 12 by 13. Okay, 139. Yes. See, we calculated here cos is positive, secant is positive. Both are positive in only one. What it is? Either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Okay. Secant and cos, they are positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Tan is negative in two quadrants. One is second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So the intersection we can take like in quadrant 4, the theta is. That means here also we will derive sine value as minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13. Hope you understood. If there is any doubt, mention your answer in the comment section. Mention your doubt also in the comment section so we can discuss it. Eliminate theta from this particular thing. Eliminate, I don't want theta from this. So I will change it a little bit. X by a is equals to cos cube theta. Send this cube on the side, what you will get? X by a whole cube is equals to cos theta. Oh, whole power 1 by 3, not cube. Cube will become cube root, right? Now square it on both sides. Squaring on both sides. X by a whole power 2 by 3 is equals to cos square theta. If you derive this also, what you will get? Y by b is equals to sine cube theta. From that you will get y by b whole power 1 by 3 is equals to sine cube theta. Sine theta. Squaring on both sides, we will get y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equals to sine square theta. Add these two. Left hand side, you will get x by a whole to the power of 2 by 3 plus y by b whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is nothing but 1. So final answer x by a whole to the power of 2 by 3 plus y by b whole to the power of 2 by 3. Okay. In the last statement, observe there is no any theta related term. So for this entire session, which is very important, is this. Should understand that when you are taking pi by 2 plus or minus theta, or just see, whenever you are taking combination of 90 and 270, then only sine will become cos, cos will become sine, tan will become cot, cot will become tan, secant will become cosecant, and cosecant will become secant. In the remaining cases, it will not change. Only signs will change. Okay. Have a look at this particular thing. If you want to copy them, and we will continue in the next session. The topic name compound angles, multiples and submultiples. Thank you very much.